All of you mute your mic. So let us start the session. Today we are going to start chapter 7 coordinate geometry case study based questions. So total 10 case study questions we are going to do. So this is first case study question. Aditya asked carpenter to make front door of his guest house. The carpenter suggested him a design which is plotted on a graph as shown in below figure. So based on this, now we are going to start with the first question. What is the length of line segment AB? Line segment AB, this length. So ध्यान से देखो, मैं जिसको अभी शेड कर रहा हूँ, this is 2 and this is 3 units. So ये कैसे निकालोगे? How will you find this one? Pythagoras. That is one way. Okay, that is the one way. Otherwise, other method जो coordinate geometry का है वो है ये 0,8. This point is 0,8. Okay, and what is this point? -3 0 6 -3 6. So we can use distance formula, right? If you use distance formula, it will be root over 0 plus 3 whole square plus 8 minus 6 whole square. So you will get 9 here, 4 here, 13. So root over 13 units is the correct answer. So this is the right option. Okay, वो Pythagoras theorem वाला भी correct है. That is also correct because steps are not important. तो immediately distance formula use करने से अच्छा तुम लोग ये use कर सकते हो. This is 3 and this is 2. So 3 square plus 2 square, that is 13. उसका square root 13. Okay, so whatever the easiest way you find trick, you can use it because the correct answer is the requirement. Next question, is AB is equals to AC? ये दोनों इक्वल है क्या? तो उसके लिए क्या करेंगे? हम लोग AC निकालेंगे. वो तो दिख रहा है, हम लोग को दिख रहा है, तो वी कैन राइट यस डायरेक्टली. सो अभी मुझे एक्सप्लेन करना है, तो कैसे करूंगा? AC निकालूंगा मैं. ठीक है, सी दिस पॉइंट इज 3 6 and this point we already got 0,8. So again distance formula if you are using 0 minus 3 whole square plus 8 minus 6 whole square का under root. So that is 9 plus 4. यहाँ पर भी 13 आ रहा है. So that is equals to AB. So the correct answer is yes. Right. So now the next option, the next question, the coordinates of the midpoint of BE. राइट. सो ध्यान से देखो, बिना मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला के भी हम लोग कर सकते हैं. ये मिड पॉइंट है, दिख रहा है ये वाला. आर यू एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई दिस इज द मिड पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
सो व्हाट इज द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ दिस मिड पॉइंट? -3 4. दैट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ठीक है, अगर मुझे अभी एक्सप्लेन करना है तो फिर तो मैं तो स्टेप्स के साथ में चलूंगा बिकॉज दिस इज -3 6 एंड दिस पॉइंट इज ई जो है वो -3 2 है. Okay, now x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So we will get -3 by 2, 6 plus 2 by 2. So -3 minus 6 by 2 -3 हो जाएगा and 6 plus 2 will become 8 by 2 4. Same answer आ रहा है. ठीक है, so the correct answer is the second one. एग्जाम में आया तो वो वाला यूज करना है. तो देखो, जो भी शॉर्टकट तरीका यूज कर सकते हो यू कैन यूज. Right. So now next question, midpoint of ED will lie on dash. देखो ED यहाँ पर है, midpoint यहाँ पर है. कहाँ पर है? आंसर क्या है?
Y axis.
Y axis. ठीक है, तो ये तो दिख रहा है, तो इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे टिक कर दिया. Otherwise what you can do, you can find the midpoint. कैसे? देखो ध्यान से, ये 3 और 2 है. So the midpoint of ED we can calculate by using this formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, that is -3 plus 3 by 2, and the next one is 2 plus 2 by 2. ये दूसरा तरीका है ना, तो मतलब जो फॉर्मूला यूज करके जो फाइंड कर रहे हैं. So what we are going to get 0 and 2. So x coordinate is 0, that means it lies on y axis. Okay, दूसरा तो मैंने बोला हूँ visually what we are seeing that this is the midpoint and this is on the y axis. So we will take on y axis. This is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we are moving toward the next question. If we join BD, right? If we join BD, B यहाँ पर है और D यहाँ पर है. ध्यान से देखो, अगर हम लोग BD को join कर रहे हैं, this one, so then y axis divides BD in the ratio dash. So ध्यान से देखो, अगर विजुअली हम लोग देखें तो ये वाला पॉइंट जो है वो मिड पॉइंट है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So coordinates of otherwise what we can do, we can find the ratio by using section formula. But wastage of time है. यहाँ पे मुझे क्लियर दिख रहा हुआ है. देखो यहाँ पर ये वाला लेंथ और ये वाला लेंथ इक्वल है. कैसे? देखो this rectangle, you see this rectangle, this is the diagonal of this rectangle, 3 by 2 और ये भी 3 by 2 है. So these two rectangles are same 3 by 2 and these two are the diagonals. Otherwise you can use your visual sense also. This is the midpoint. So if this point is the midpoint on y axis, so the ratio is 1:1 and the correct answer is say this one. ध्यान से देखो ये जो point है ये midpoint है and the ratio is 1:1. This is clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we are moving toward the second case study question. One day, Mohan visited his friend's apartment. From his balcony, he observed that there is a flower bed on the ground, which is in the shape of a parallelogram. 4 red color poles are there at the corner. These are the corners, okay, A, B, C, D. Red poles. Now, he draws a sketch on of the flower bed on a graph paper as shown in below figure. Now, based on this, few questions are there. So, let us start the question. The coordinates of the vertex D. What is the coordinate of vertex D? This coordinate.
3, 4.
Very
3, 4.
good. 3, 4. The correct answer is 3, 4. The next question. The coordinates of the point of intersection of the diagonals. मतलब ये वाला point निकालना है. Right? तो
5, 3.
5 to 1.
yes.
Options.
Wait. 2.5 है ना यहाँ पर. 5 by 2 is 2.5.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. 5 और ये है 2.5 means 5 by 2. So the correct answer is third one. Okay. So the next question, the length of the side AB. So you can find on graph only this length. This length is equals to how much units?
6 units.
6 units, right. The correct option is the second one. The length of the side next is AD, right. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे देखो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम भी यूज कर सकते हो. मैं एक राइट ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ, ध्यान से देखो. This is 2 and this side is 3. Okay, so 2 square plus 3 square, that is 4 plus 9, root 13. Okay, otherwise I told you one more method is there. So the coordinate of this is 3, 4. Okay, and the coordinate of point A is 1, 1. So AD हो जाएगा 3 minus 1 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square whole root, right? So that is equals to 2 square plus 3 square, that is 4 plus 9, and the correct answer is root 13. Root 13. So option, first option, right. So now we are moving toward the next question. If we take A as origin, ठीक है, A को हम लोग origin ले रहे हैं, and AB as x axis, this one, this is x axis. Okay, so this is y axis. Figure समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then the coordinate of M. M क्या हो जाएगा? This coordinate. See, हाँ ये वाला यहाँ से यहाँ तक देखो ये 4 है, ठीक है? This is 4 and this is 1/2. 1/2 means 3 by 2. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Right, first option, correct. Now we are moving toward the next case study question. Case study question number 3. One day, Ram went to his hometown during Dashera vacation. During his excursion, he noted the 4 places: temple, TV tower, mall, and school. Then he tried to locate all the places using graph sheet by taking his position at the origin. This is the position of Ram. He marked A, B, C, and D for school. A for school, and TV tower for B, temple for C, and mall for D. Okay, the pictures also are also there, right. Now based on this, now we are going to solve some questions. First is find the coordinates of C. This is the point C.
6 and 7.
Right. Option C, 6, 7, correct. Find the distance between school and TV. एक मिनट, स्कूल ये है, राइट, और टीवी टावर इज बी, so we have to find the distance between A and B. So what is the coordinate of B?
8, 3.
8 3. And what is the
3.
coordinate of A?
Minus, so 0 minus 1.
0 minus 1, right. So अब इसका distance हो जाएगा 8 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus of minus 1, that is 3 plus 1 whole square. So this will become 64 and this will become 16. So root 80. Root 80 is 4 root 5. Okay, that is 16 into 5 होता है, तो 16 का 4 हो जाएगा. So the correct option is B. Next, find the distance between TV tower and mall. Mall यहाँ पर है और TV tower यहाँ पर है, तो हम लोग ये horizontal distance यहीं पर देख सकते हैं. कितना है देखो,
10 kilometers.
right,
10.
10 kilometers. So BD is equals to 10 kilometers. Now the fourth question, find the distance between school and temple. School यहाँ पर है A और temple यहाँ C है, तो A और C के बीच का distance निकालना. So we have to use distance formula. So this is 0 minus 1, and what is the coordinate of C?
6, 7.
6 7, right. So distance formula use करोगे तो हो जाएगा 6 minus 0 whole square plus 7 plus 1 whole square का whole root. So this is 36 and this is 64. 36 plus 64 is 100. So root 100 होता है 10 units. So the correct option is B.
B.
So now we are moving toward the last question. Name the quadrilateral ABCD so formed. So square, rectangle, rhombus. So what we have to do, we have to find all the 4 sides first. उसके बाद diagonal निकालना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि अगर 4 sides equal है then we will go for diagonal also. नहीं, rectangle दिया हुआ है तो diagonals निकालना ही पड़ेगा, ठीक है. So let us start with the first side, AB. AB we already got 4 root 5. Okay, so ये पिछले क्वेश्चंस में ऑलरेडी निकाल चुके हैं. नेक्स्ट वन, DC. D का कोऑर्डिनेट है -2 -3 एंड द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ C इज 6 7. स्क्रीन दिख रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो CD हो जाएगा 6 plus 2 whole square 7 plus 3 whole square का whole root, right? This is 64 and this is 16. So 64 plus 16 is 80. So root 80 is nothing but that is 4 root 5. Right, now we will find CD हो गया BA. BC भी निकालना है, BC इसके बाद निकाल लेते हैं. 0 0 minus 1. So -2 -0 whole square -3 plus 1 whole square. So this is 4 and this is 16. 4 plus 16 is 20 and root 20 is 2 root 5. So we got AD is equals to 2 root 5. Now BC. B is 8 3. So 8 minus 6 whole square, या 6 minus 8 whole square, 3 minus 7 whole square, या 7 minus 3 whole square. Right. So this will be 4 and this will be 16. So 4 plus 16 root 20. So 2 root 5. So that means opposite sides are equal. So square rhombus नहीं है. Okay. For rectangle now we have to check diagonals are equal or not. So diagonals के लिए हम लोग BD निकाले थे 10 और AC भी 10 आया था हम लोग को, right? पिछले क्वेश्चन में both are 10. So that means opposite sides are equal and diagonals are equal. So ABCD is a rectangle and the correct option is B. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 4. The class 10 students of a secondary school in Krishinagar have been allotted a rectangular plot of land for their gardening activity. Sapling of gulmohar are planted on the boundary at a distance of 1 meter from each other. There is a triangular grassy lawn in the plot as shown in the below figure. The students are to sow seeds of flowering plants on the remaining area of the plot. So let us start with the first question. Taking A as origin, find the coordinates of the vertices of triangle PQR. So चलो P और QR का देखते हैं. देखो P कितना होगा?
4 6.
4 6. So 4 6 मतलब ये एलिमिनेट हो गया हम लोग का, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट Q, what is the coordinate of Q?
3 2.
3 2. 3 2 मीन्स ये एलिमिनेट हो गया. देखो 2 3 दिया हुआ है, केवल हम लोग को यही चेक करना है. लास्ट R, What is the coordinate of R?
6,
6,
5.
5.
6, 5, right. So correct option is
Option A.
first one, right. Next one, what is the midpoint of side PQ when A is the origin? PQ. So P and Q, देखो 4, 6 or 3, 2. This is the coordinate of P. So 4 plus 3 by 2 and 6 plus 2 by 2. That is 7 by 2, 4. And the correct option is the second one, 7 by 2, 4. Now we are moving towards the next question. What will be the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle PQR if C as a origin? उसको उल्टा कर दिए हम लोग, ठीक है? So ध्यान से देखो, this is P and P is, what is the coordinate of P?
12, 2.
12, 2, right. And what is the coordinate of Q?
13, 6.
13, 6, right. And what is the coordinate of R?
10, 3.
10, 3.
10, 3, right. तो इसमें कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट है? लास्ट वाला,
Option D.
लास्ट वाला, right. Now the next question, what is the midpoint of side QR when C as origin? QR, the coordinates of QR is 13, 6, 10, 13. So 13 plus 10 by 2, that is 23 by 2, and 6 plus 3 by 2, that is 9 by 2. So 23 by 2, 9 by 2, third option is the correct one. Now we are moving toward the next. The given problem is based on which mathematical concept? Coordinate geometry.
Coordinate geometry.
Right. Triangle, similarity, none of these. The correct answer is coordinate geometry. Now we are moving toward the next case study question, number 5. The diagrams shows the plans for a sunroom. It will be built onto the wall of a house. The 4 walls of the sunroom are square, clear glass panels. The roof is made using first 4 clear glass panels, trapezium in shape, all the same size. 1 tinted glass panel, half a regular octagon in shape. Refer to top view. Top view is this one. Okay, and this is the front view. Find the midpoint of the segment joining the points J and I. So already coordinate is given in this question. Okay, so see, 6 plus 9 by 2 is 15 by 2, and 17 plus 16 by 2 is 33 by 2. So 15 by 2 and 33 by 2. The correct option is C. Next question, refer to the top view, the distance of point P from the y-axis. तो ध्यान से देखो, if you draw from here, if you draw the perpendicular line up to point P, so it is approximately equals to 4 centimeter, 4 units. So the correct option is A. Next, the distance between the points A and S. Refer to point front view. A यहाँ पर है और S यहाँ पर है, ठीक है. सो हम लोग को डिस्टेंस निकालना है, तो ध्यान से देखो, यहाँ से यहाँ तक अगर हम लोग ज्वाइंट करते हैं, सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 16 यूनिट आ रहा है,
Yes, sir.
राइट.
Yes, sir.
सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी. लेकिन अगर हम लोग फिर इसको ये कोऑर्डिनेट से करें तो फिर और थोड़ा लंबा हो जाएगा, राइट. सो कोऑर्डिनेट से करेंगे तो A का कोऑर्डिनेट 1 8 है और S का कोऑर्डिनेट 17 8 है. सो दैट इज 17 minus 1 whole square plus 8 minus 8 whole square का whole root. So we are getting 16 square plus 0, that is 16 square is 16 only. And correct answer is C bit. So best है ये वाला जो मैं अभी फर्स्ट मेथड जो मैंने यूज़ किया, क्योंकि वो पैरेलल है, पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस है, so we can count the number of scale here. Now we are moving toward the next question. Refer to front view. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points A and B in the ratio 1:3. Right? So point A, just now I told 1 8. Point B का है, यहाँ पर B है. So 1 8 9 10. So 5 10. देखो 5 10. This is the fifth column and this is the 10th row. So 5 10 1 8. तो यहाँ पर हम लोग एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर लेंगे. and the ratio is given 1:3. So ध्यान से देखो कैसे लिखेंगे हम लोग, m1 m2, m1 into x2 that is 1 into 5 plus m2 into x1 that is 3 into 1 upon 1 plus 3, right? And the next one is m1 into y2 that is 1 into 10 plus m2 into y1 that is 3 into 8 upon 1 plus 3. ठीक है, तो ये हो जाएगा 5 plus 3 by 4 and this will become 10 plus 11 by 4. So 8 by 4 is 2 and this is 34 by 4. 34 by 4 is 8.5. So 2 8.5. The correct option is D. This question is clear.
Yes, sir.
This question was taken from the last year's CBSE sample paper, okay, for standard. Now the next question, refer to front view. If a point xy is equidistant from Q and R, the point is already given 9, 8 and 17, 8. Okay, so equidistance मतलब इस point को मैं P ले रहा हूँ, P. So PQ is equals to PS. So we'll take it as PQ square is equals to PS square. Now PQ square, x minus 9 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square, next x minus 17 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square. ठीक है, तो ये हो जाएगा x square minus 18x plus 81, y square minus नहीं, ये दोनों we can eliminate these two. X square minus 34x plus 289. Okay, so x square also we can eliminate. Now shift minus 34 to this side, it will become plus 34x, and 81 to this side, it will become minus 81. So this is 16x and this is 208. So 208 by 16 is 13. So x minus 13 is equals to 0. Option B. Right? So now we are moving toward the next question. Case study question number 6. Aditya starts walking from his house to office. यहाँ से यहाँ तक. Okay. Instead of going to the office directly, he goes to bank first, and then his daughter's school, then reach the office. Assuming that all the distance covered are in a straight line, if the house is situated at 2, 4, bank at 5, 8, and school at 13, 14, and office at 13, 26, and the coordinates are in kilometer. Okay. So what is the first question is, what is the distance between house and bank? सो हाउस का मैं बता रहा हूँ, 1 मिनट. हाउस का कोऑर्डिनेट्स h मैं लिख रहा हूँ. हाउस का कोऑर्डिनेट है 2, 4 एंड बैंक का कोऑर्डिनेट है हाउस बैंक. ओके, बैंक का कोऑर्डिनेट है 5, 8. ओके, एंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दिस इज 5 minus 2 whole square plus 8 minus 4 whole square का अंडर रूट. ओके, दैट इज यूजिंग दिस डिस्टेंस फार्मूला. 5 minus 2 whole square plus 8 minus 4 whole square. So this is 9 and this is 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5.
5.
And the correct option is the first one.
A.
What is the distance between daughter school and bank? So daughter school को मैं D से denote कर रहा हूँ. And the coordinate of school is 13, 14. Right. So बैंक और B और D के बीच में निकालना है. So 13 minus 5 whole square plus 14 minus 8 whole square. So this will be 8 square, that is 64, and this will be 6 square, that is 36. 64 plus 36 is 100. Root over 100 is
10.
10. Right, and the correct option is the second one.
Second.
Right. So now we are moving toward the next question. What is the distance between house and office? So house का जो coordinate था, just now I told you that the coordinate of house is 2, 4. Okay, 2, 4. And the coordinate of office is 13, 26. So this is the direct distance between the office and house. So इसका हो जाएगा 13 minus 2 whole square plus 26 minus 4 whole square का whole root. And this is nothing but this is 121. And this is 22 whole square means 484, राइट। तो 605 का स्क्वायर रूट होता है अप्रोक्सीमेटली, इट इज इक्वल टू 24.59, दैट इज 24.6 किलोमीटर, एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज द फर्स्ट वन. Now, what is the total distance traveled by Aditya to reach the office? So first he went to bank, then daughter school to office. ठीक है, तो हम लोग के पास एक ही डिस्टेंस नहीं है, डॉटर स्कूल टू ऑफिस. सो दैट इज 13 14 एंड 13 26. So 13 minus 13 whole square, 26 minus 14 whole square, that is 0 plus 12 square, 12. ठीक है, सो टोटल डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू हाउस प्लस बैंक प्लस स्कूल प्लस ऑफिस ट्रैवल्ड. सो हाउस से बैंक था 5, बैंक टू स्कूल था 10 एंड स्कूल टू ऑफिस हो गया 12. So that is 27 kilometer, and the correct option is the fourth one. Now we are moving toward the last question. What is the extra distance traveled by the Aditya? उसको चलना था 24.6, लेकिन उसने 27 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल किया. So we have to subtract, and this is equals to 2.4 kilometer, and the correct option is the third one. Now we are moving toward the seventh question. A group of class 10 students goes to picnic during vacation. There were 3 different slides, and the 3 friends Ajay, Ram and Shyam are sliding in the 3 slides. The position of the 3 friends shown by P, Q, R in different slides are given below. Now based on this figure, now few questions are there. Find the coordinates of the point Q which divides the line segment PR in the ratio 1:2. So the point of P is 2, 5. ठीक है, and what is the coordinates of R?
8 3.
8 3. ठीक है, ओके फाइन. अगर मान लो मुझे ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आया, तो मैं तो सीधा बोलूँगा कि ये जो Q है, देखो Q 4 पे आ रहा है, अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इट इज कमिंग एट 4, और ये यहाँ पर आ रहा है. ठीक है, तो 4 वाला एक ही एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट वाला एक ही ऑप्शन है, दैट इज 1. सो मेरा आंसर है 413/3 ओनली बाय यूजिंग ट्रिक. बट वी हैव टू सॉल्व, है ना, तो सॉल्व करने के लिए फिर सेक्शन फॉर्मूला यूज करना पड़ेगा 1:2. राइट. सो ध्यान से देखो, आवर फॉर्मूला इज, एक मिनट, आवर फॉर्मूला इज m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 upon m1 plus m2. So 1 into, ये ratio 1:2 है ना, so 1 into 2 plus 2 into 5 upon 1 plus 2, that is 3. So 8 plus 4/3, 12/3 is 4. So we got x coordinate 4. अभी यहाँ तक भी रुक सकते हैं हम लोग, सीधा टिक कर दिए, क्योंकि बाकी सारे में x कोऑर्डिनेट 4 नहीं है. तो दिस इज द सेकेंड वे. फर्स्ट तो मैंने कह दिया था, ये दूसरा तरीका है, जबरदस्ती का y भी नहीं निकालना यहाँ पर. खैर मैं समझा रहा हूँ y भी. यू गॉट माई पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
पहले वाले ट्रिक से तो डायग्राम देख के मैंने टिक कर दिया, सेकंड x निकाल के मैंने टिक कर दिया. उसके बाद पूरा y भी नहीं निकालना है. राइट. अभी फिलहाल मैं निकाल रहा हूँ 1 into 3 plus 2 into 5 upon 3. So see, this is 13/3. So the final answer is the first one, 413/3. Next, find the distance PR. So distance formula use करना पड़ेगा. So distance formula use करने के लिए, अभी देखो distance formula के बगैर भी कर सकते हैं. ये 2 यूनिट है, and this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 units. So Pythagoras theorem, 2 square plus 6 square का whole root, that is 4 plus 36, 40, root 40. root 40 is nothing but 2 root 10. मेरा आंसर ऐसे ही आ गया. अब जबरदस्ती का हम लोग डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे, 8 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. So this is 36 and this is 4, that is 6 square plus minus 2 whole square, that is equals to root 40, and it is 2 root 10. The correct answer is 1, the first one. Now we are moving toward the next question. Find the coordinates of a point on x-axis which is at equal distance PQ. Question clear? एक्स एक्सिस पे कोई एक ऐसा पॉइंट लेना है जो कि P और Q से इक्वी डिस्टेंस पे है, और P का कोऑर्डिनेट हमारे पास है, क्या है, Q का 4 13/3, दिस इज द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ Q। और एक ऐसी रफ फिगर बना रहा हूँ मैं, ये वाला, यस, ऐसी रफ फिगर है ये। सो दिस डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल, ठीक है, यहाँ पे मान लो A ले रहा हूँ मैं। सो पी ए इज इक्वल टू क्यू ए, और पी ए स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू क्यू ए स्क्वायर। सो पी ए स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, इसको मैं अभी एक्स वाई ले रहा हूँ ना, वी आर गोइंग टू टेक एक्स वाई, राइट। सो पी ए स्क्वायर हो जाएगा एक्स 2 माइनस एक्स होल स्क्वायर प्लस 5 माइनस ये एक्स जीरो होगा, सॉरी एक्स जीरो ना, 5 माइनस जीरो होल स्क्वायर and 4 minus x whole square plus 13/3 minus 0 whole square. This is the right hand side. Now we will open this bracket, 4 plus x square minus 4x, and this is 725. This will be 16 plus x square minus 8x, and this will be 169/9. Okay, x square we can eliminate from both sides, and what we can do, we can shift minus 8x to this side, और ध्यान से देखो ये 25 प्लस 4 29 हो जाएगा, या दोनों को ऐसे ही राइट साइड में शिफ्ट करो माइनस। सो वी आर गेटिंग दिस वन, 4x इज इक्वल टू 4x कैसे आएगा, 8x माइनस 4x, 16 प्लस 1 69/9 माइनस 4 माइनस 25। ओके, सो ये दोनों को अगर सिंप्लीफाई करोगे तो फाइनली व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू गेट माइनस 13। Now take LCM and simplify. You will get 13/9. X is equals to, finally we'll get 13/9. So 13/9 0 is the correct answer. Okay, ये 0 है. So the correct option is the third one. Now we are moving toward the next question. Find the coordinates of the midpoints of PR. So P का और R का coordinates तो already दिया हुआ है, 2 plus 8/2 that is 10/2, and 5 plus 3/2 that is 8/2. So 10/2 8/2, the final answer is 5 and 4, right. So third option is the correct one. Now we are moving toward the last question. If we shift origin O by 2 units towards right and 1 units towards north, then find the coordinates of point R. Okay, एक मिनट पहले डायग्राम समझ लो, इधर देखो, यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या किए, ओरिजिन को 2 यूनिट शिफ्ट किए यहाँ पर राइट साइड में, और फिर नॉर्थ साइड में 1 यूनिट यहाँ शिफ्ट किए, तो यहाँ पर आ गया ओरिजिन। नाउ दिस इज द आवर न्यू कार्टेशियन प्लेन, राइट। नाउ फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ पॉइंट आर। दिस कोऑर्डिनेट वी हैव टू फाइंड, 6 2, right, and the correct option is the second one, right. So now we are moving toward question number 8, case study question number 8. Kushal is a class 10 student residing in a village. One day he went to a city hospital along with his grandfather for general checkup, and from there he visited 3 places: school, library and police station. After returning to his village, he plotted a graph by taking hospital as origin, so hospital origin mein, and marked 3 places on the graph as per his direction of movement and distance. The graph is shown below. Now we are going to do some questions. Distance between 2 points P and Q is dash. Which formula is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. See, actually the formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, but this is also correct. Out of these 4 options, this is the relevant one. Okay, so the correct answer is the C one. Next question. Distance between school and hospital. Okay, school and hospital, what is the coordinate of school?
2 3.
2 3, right, and hospital is 0 0. So 2 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square, that is 4 plus 9 root 13, and the correct option is B. Next question. Distance between school and police station. See, this you can find from here only, direct hai. This is parallel to y axis, so we can find directly 1 2 3 4 units. So the correct option is the first one. Distance between police station and library. Police station का जो coordinate है, the coordinate of police station is 2 minus 1, and the coordinate of library is 6 2. So 6 minus 2 whole square plus 2 plus 1 whole square का whole root. So we are getting 16 plus 9, that is 25. Square root of 25, 5. So the correct option is B. Now the last question of this case study question, nearest place to library. Library से सबसे nearest place कौन सा? तो दिख ही रहा है.
School.
School, right. Otherwise, what you have to do? You have to find the distance between library school, library hospital and library police station. ठीक है? तो इसको मैं L ले रहा हूँ, इसको S ले रहा हूँ, इसको H और इसको P. So LS फर्स्ट निकालना है. So LS हो जाएगा 6 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square. So this is 16 plus 1, root 16 plus 1 is root 17. Now LP we already got 5, and LH 6 minus 0 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square. So 36 plus 4, that is root 20. So इसमें जो सबसे जो नियरेस्ट है वो LS है, वो तो यहाँ से दिख रहा है, डायरेक्ट टिक कर सकते हैं. Okay, fine. So now next case study question 9. To conduct sports day activity in your school rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD as shown in the figure. Niharika runs 1 by 4th the distance AD on second line. This is Niharika, this one, and post a green flag. Preet runs 1/5 distance AD on the 8th line and post a red flag. Okay, so now we are going to solve some questions based on this. At what distance Niharika posted the green flag from the starting point of second line? So it is already given 1/4 distance AD. Now AD is 100 meter. Okay, so 1/4 of 100 is 25. So correct option is the second one. And the next question, at what distance Preet posted the green flag from the starting point of 8th line? So Preet 1/5 covers 1/5 distance AD. So 1/5 of 100 is
20 meter.
20 meter, right? So the correct option is first one. Now this next question, what is the distance between both the flags? So पहले हम लोग दोनों का कोऑर्डिनेट्स लिखेंगे, एक का है 25 और दूसरे का 820. So डिस्टेंस निकालेंगे 8 minus 2 whole square plus 20 minus 25 whole square. So this will become 36 and this will become minus 5 square, 25. So 36 plus 25 is 61. So root 61 is the answer. And the correct option is the first one.
Option A.
Right. So now next question, if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flag, where should she post her flag? In the midpoints. ठीक है, इन दोनों के midpoint में वो लगाएगी. So 2 plus 8 by 2, that is 10 by 2, and 25 plus 20 by 2, that is 25 plus 20 is 45 by 2. Okay, so 5 and 22.5. So correct answer is the third one.
Third bit.
Right. Now we are moving toward the last question. If Shweta has to post a white flag exactly halfway between a line segment A and red flag, मतलब A और red flag इन दोनों के बीच में वो white flag लगाना चाह रही है. So इन दोनों का midpoint होगा. Okay, midpoint of A and red flag. So 2 plus 0 by 2, 25 plus 0 by 2. So that is 112.5. And the correct option is fourth one. Right. So now we are moving toward the last question of case study question of today's session. On the occasion of Diwali, a rectangular plot have been allotted for Diwali mela to students of secondary school in Hyderabad. In order to reduce smoke and pollution, they decided to keep little leaf ridden plants on the boundary at a distance of 1 meter from each other. 4 air purifier machines have also been set up at points L, M, N, O. Answer the following question. Okay. Right. So what are the coordinates of L? Wait. So this we have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ठीक है. L देखो और यहाँ पर भी 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So यहाँ पर हम लोग ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. What is the coordinate of L?
4, 7.
4, 7. Right. So correct answer is A1. Now next, what are the coordinates of N? 9, 10, 11, 12.
12, 3.
12, 3. Right. 12, 3 is C bit. Now distance between L and O. So this is 4, 7. And the coordinate of O is 5, 2.
5.
Right, and the distance is 5 minus 4 whole square, या 4 minus 5 whole square plus 7 minus 2 whole square का under root. So this will be 1 and this will be 25, so root 26, and the correct option is A.
First bit.
Right. So now we are moving toward the next question. Considering D as origin, and what are the coordinates of M? अगर D को हम लोग origin कर दें, ठीक है, without disturbing any, so this will be on the negative side. ये negative side में आ जाएगा और ये negative x axis होगा और negative ये positive y axis. ये समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes,
So coordinate of M का coordinate देखो ध्यान से. एक मिनट यहीं पर आ रहा है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. एक मिनट. And this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So minus 6, 7. ये clear है ये? This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the last question, find the midpoint of the segment joining the points L and N. Okay. When A as a origin, A जब origin था तब इन दोनों का midpoint. So इसका था 6, एक मिनट, 4, 7 और n का था 12, 3. Right, fine, good. So x1 plus x2 by 2, that is 4 plus 12 by 2 and 7 plus 3 by 2, 16 by 2, 10 by 2, 8, 5.
5.
Right, so ये 8 हो गया और ये 5 हो गया, and the correct option is D1. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Right, so this is the last question of today's session, and we will do in the next session the other chapter of case study question. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.